with some mathematics. In this video, we are to find the largest prime factor of 3 raised to the power 8 minus 1. So let's see how we are going to do it. Okay, so using difference of two squares, if we have a squared minus b squared, it is the same as a plus b times a minus b. Okay, so 3 raised to the power 8 minus 1 will be the same as 3 raised to the power 4 minus 1 times 3 raised to the power 4 plus 1. This is the same as using this. We have 3 raised to the power 2 minus 1 times 3 raised to the power 2 plus 1 times 3 raised to the power 4 plus 1. Okay, then we apply the difference of two square on this again, and this will be 3 minus 1 times 3 plus 1 times 3 squared plus 1 times 3 raised to the power 4 plus 1. Okay, now 3 minus 1 is 2 times 3 plus 1 is 4 times 3 squared plus 1, 3 squared is 9 times 10 times 3 raised to the power 4 is 81 times plus 1 is 82. Okay, to 10 we can break it into 2 times 5. So 10 is the same as 2 times 5, and 82 is the same as 2 times 41. So this implies that 3 raised to the power 8 minus 1, 2 raised to the power 2 is also 4. We can now break it into 2 times 2 raised to the power 2 times 2 times 5, that is the 10, the 82, and write it as 2 times 41. So we have 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. Let's bring all of them together. So 2 times 2 raised to the power 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 41. This is the same as, so this is 1, 1, 1. So 2 raised to the power 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus another 1 times 5 times 41. So we have 2 raised to the power 5 times 5 times 41. So these are the prime factors of this expression. When you look at these prime factors, the largest one is 41. So the 41 is the largest prime factor of 3 raised to the power 8 minus 1. 41 is the largest prime factor. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I drop a video, you'll be alerted wherever